The first requirement for growing a business online is visibility. And the quickest way to gain exposure and traffic is to improve your online reputation. Search engines like Google favor businesses that receive a steady flow of positive reviews, and our platform makes requesting reviews quicker and easier than ever. With just a few taps, you can text a review request to your customers, and as new reviews get posted, they get pulled right back into the conversation stream where you can read and reply. And now, with Review Reply AI, you can have artificial intelligence reply to your reviews for you, ensuring that every customer review gets a prompt and professional reply. In addition to generating web traffic, reviews can be a powerful form of social proof when displayed on your website. Our automated review widget will pull in your latest reviews and display them in the configuration of your choice, providing your website visitors with user-generated confirmation that you're the business to go with. We can also turn all of your best reviews into beautiful pieces of social media content that automatically get posted, creating more social proof across all your social channels. Ready to generate more traffic, more reviews, and more customers? Get started today.